So, I'm here to present the vote of thanks. So first and foremost, I would like to thank God Almighty for giving us this environment to facilitate this wonderful function, for giving everybody good health, keeping us all safe on the way here and in all the arrangements, all of our health, everything. God's presence was there with us today. So first of all, I would like to thank Almighty. Next, I would like to thank Achan. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ഈ പണി തന്നതിന് എനിക്ക് അച്ഛനോട് വളരെ താങ്ക്സ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ I would like to thank Achan for this wonderful opportunity that he gave me. So as you all know, I'm quite new to this church, only 3 years over here. So to be honest, I don't know most of your names, and so I was, like in the toddler stage in this congregation just 3 years. And this really helped me to get to know all of you. And again, I really thank Achan for that opportunity. So before I begin the rest of the formal vote of thanks, I would like to say that this time, this family night event was divided into different coordinators. So like the previous years, we didn't have a single coordinator who was in charge of everything. So I was the coordinator. I was coordinating these 26 programs. And we had so many other people behind with all the other coordinations. So at this time, I would like to specially thank 2-3 people who went out of the way to help me, especially me doing this for the first time. There are 3 people that really helped me. One is Sharath, Manita, and Vijay. So they knew I'm clueless on what to do. So even though the name is mine, I think more or less everything was done by Sharath and Vijay. So I think they deserve all the clap and all the applause for the smooth functioning of this particular event. So next, I would like to thank the different coordinators of the different programs that was presented here. I am astonished by the kind of dedication the different coordinators and the students have, be it in practicing, be it in the costume decision, backlight, lighting, backdrop. I believe everything here is done professionally. Everybody puts in their 100% dedication and hard work. So a big round of applause to all the coordinators and all the participants of this program, and a special thanks to all the parents bringing their children for all the practices. We are scattered all around this place. So to get everybody to one place, a special thanks to the parents and the coordinators. And one thing that I noticed is this time we had children who were coordinators of different programs. So a special big clap to the children who coordinated certain programs this time. Like we have the content racers, the Moon Squad, Desi, Dazzlers, Kandaris. These were all children were the coordinators for this. That is an amazing job. Now let me get into the formal vote of thanks, wherein I would like to thank the individual coordinators of the different sectors of this particular program. So first I would like to thank Sharath for the hall booking, rehearsal coordination. All of you know how patient he has been. All your needs were met, the lighting needs. So a special thanks to him for his attention to detail, patience and commitment that was ensured that everything came together today seamlessly. And with Sharath we had Midun, who was backstage with all the lighting and all the arrangements. Next, I would like to thank MC team that was backed by Jayden and Janice and the MG Sosa kids. They have done an amazing job in putting the script and pulling the threads between all the programs. They have done an amazing job. Next, I would like to thank Reba for the backstage coordination, bringing in all the students and all the participants in order. So thank you, Reba, for that. I also would like to thank Soumya Samuel and team for the flyer printouts and all the other logistics behind that. And I would like to thank Thomas Fall for the brochure preparation. Next, for the red carpet, I would like to thank Jacob Andrews, Jay John and Kurian for setting up the red carpet. And I have observed that most of our Facebook profile picture is the red carpet picture that we take here. So a special thanks to Freddie Chatton for capturing that beautiful moment. Next, I would like to thank the videography team, Thomas Abraham and Eddie Abraham, for their utmost dedication in capturing all these beautiful moments so professionally and so perfectly and uploading them in YouTube for us to share it with our loved ones across the globe. and for cherishing this memory. That is what we have, the YouTube links and this video. Thank you so much to the video team and the photo team held by Thomas Hall. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all that. Now, finally, okay, we are all waiting to have our dinner. So I cannot conclude my vote of thanks without thanking the food team, the food coordinators, Monu and team. Thank you so much for arranging our refreshments at the beginning of the program and our dinner, the scrumptious dinner which we are all waiting for. Thank you so much, Monu and team, for that. I would like to once again thank Bibin Chetan, who has been like a shadow behind every program. Okay, whatever is the subsectors of this family night event, Bibin Chetan's hands has been everywhere. Be it everything, you name it, Bibin Chetan has been there. So special thanks to Bibin Chetan. Last but not the least, on behalf of the entire congregation of St. Mary's Church, I would like to thank the committee. Thank you so much, the church committee, Roshan Philip, Idichandi M. Philip, Joy Uncle, Jacob Andrews, Soumya Samuel, Andrew Verghese and Vijay Abraham Verghese for organizing this wonderful event, in finding the sponsors, and in whatever help the different coordinators went to them with. They were ready, always ready to extend their hand, and they were very, very supportive. A special loud applause for our committee. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to conclude my vote of thanks by calling Achin for saying a few words. Thank you, everybody.